Let's do the activities. Activity 1. In the story, you can find the following exchanges between the author and his wife. Read the story again and complete the conversation between them. Author: we are the owners of this land. The birds, beasts, reptiles, and insects too have a right to this land just as we have. Wife: are you saying rats have a right as well? They don't seem to think we humans have any. They go about as though the earth belongs to them. Let's buy a gun. We can shoot the bats, the foxes, and the polecats with it. Not me. Guns should never have been invented. Activity 2. Look at the poster. What message does this poster convey? Now, prepare a poster on the theme every creature has the right to live on earth. Activity 3. Does the earth only belongs to the human beings? What is the author's view about this? Pick out sentences from the text to justify the author's view. God has created a lot of things in this earth. No doubt, the birds, beasts, reptiles, and insects too have a right to these things just as we have. God has created the earth for all creatures. Let's know about prepositions. A preposition is a word that shows the relationship of a noun or a pronoun called the object of the preposition to another word. Example: the book is on the table. On is the preposition and table is the object of the preposition. A preposition, its subject, and any modifiers of the object form a prepositional phrase. In the above sentence, the book is on the table. On is the preposition. Table is the object. On the table is a prepositional phrase. Many of the common words used as prepositions can be used as adverbs. Words are prepositions if they have an object to complete them. To decide which it is, say the preposition followed by whom or what. If a noun or a pronoun answers the question, the word is a preposition. Example: the boy stood up and ran down the street. Up what? There is no object. Therefore, up is not a preposition. Down what? Street answers the question. Therefore, down is a preposition. Down the street is the prepositional phrase starting with the preposition down and ending with the object street with a modifier the in between. Activity 4. Look at the following sentence from the story. Hadn't the whole earth been taken over by man? The underlined word by is a preposition. Here is another sentence taken from the story. It was a 2-acre plot with coconut palms and an old house where we could live. Those were the days when the price of coconuts was going up, and I was in high spirits at the thought of the palms laden with coconuts. The word with is also a preposition. Look at the pictures and read the sentences given along with them. She is sitting by her computer and speaking over the phone. The field was taken over by concrete buildings. Harita always comes to school by bus. Every day, my teacher comes with a smile on her face. She is very friendly with us. She takes us with her whenever she goes out for a walk in the garden. See few more examples. At night, at 7 o'clock, at 6:35 p.m., at Christmas, at the weekend, on Mondays, on the 5th of June, on my birthday, on the following day, in the morning, in December, in winter, in 2015, in the 1990s. Fill in the blanks choosing the right prepositions given in brackets. Harita reached home from school at 6 o'clock in the evening. Her mother was angry with her. She was late because there was a quiz competition in the school. She bagged the first prize in the contest organized by the literary club of the school. She was awarded a cash prize of ₹1,000. Her mother was very happy and was proud of her daughter. Activity 5. Look at the following sentence. While I was still wondering, my wife decided to take things into her hands one day. The word while is used to combine two sentences. Here, while shows two actions happening at the same time. The above sentence can be split into two. It can be written as I was still wondering. My wife decided to take things into her hands one day. Here the word while is used to combine two sentences which talk about actions that happen at the same time. Now, split the following sentences into two. While the author was traveling home, he had the result of his exams. While I was making dinner, my sister was watching television. While I was speaking over phone, my friend was reading magazine. While I was at school, I was good in maths. While my father was climbing the stairs, he slipped and fell down. Have you written? See the answers. The author was traveling home. He had the result of his exams. I was making dinner. My sister was watching television. I was speaking over phone. My friend was reading magazine. I was in school. I was good at maths. My father was climbing the stairs. He slipped and fell down.